Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. Today is Tuesday, July 18. The time is 1:45 a.m. GMT. Today we are looking at the chart of Apple, AAPL, 30 minutes time frame here. We can see right here the stock ended with 4. And notice the blue box here, which is basically in the 100% extension using these 3 swings down here. Now this is in the form of a double zigzag. We have a zigzag here, ABC, another zigzag, ABC, and then the entire double zigzag ended in a 100% extension area. Typically that's a sign it is a corrective structure here. Then reaction higher, and we are about to make a new high above that previous peak here, the wave 3 here. And within this move up here, we can see we have 1, 2 here, and then seems like we are nesting, so which means we are going to be ending still only within wave 3 here, and then from there we should be getting a 4 and a 5 again. So a few more 4 and a 5 here before we finish the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the minute degree, and then that should be ending with 5 as well once it is complete. So as long as we stay above 186.60, we should be favoring more upside. Notice the arrow is still black turning up because we have not yet broken above wave 3, but at this point I think it's very highly likely we are going to break above this previous peak, even though we haven't done it. But I think probability wise, I think it's very highly probable we're gonna do it. Okay, so now if I zoom out a little bit, notice the 3 and 4 in the minor degree here. This is the 4 hour and this is the 3 and the 4, and basically we are looking at the rally that started from here, from the low here. Let me zoom out. Okay. Alright, so we're looking at a rally that started from somewhere from here. So I think this is 1, 2, and this is another 1, 2 here. Right? So from here, from March 2023 here, now you can notice the rally is very impulsive and continues to make a higher high and a higher lows. But once we finish this, which is kind of almost at the last leg probably, we should be ending a 5 ways up and should be ending a larger degree structure here. So this could be a nest 1, 2, 1, 2 here, and we should be minimum ending this cycle over here, and then we'll be getting a 3-year pullback, a larger 3-year pullback correcting this side. So if you think of it as a 1, 2 here, then once we finish with 5, that should be ending with 3 from here, and then getting a 4 and a 5 again. But at minimum, we should be at the bare minimum, right? A bare minimum, we should be correcting this cycle, right? Which is a 5 ways up over there. Right, and then we should be getting a 3-year pullback to correct this cycle, and possibly also correcting a larger degree cycle from here as well before higher again. But if we just focus on the shorter cycle, then it's very simple. We should continue to see more upside in the short term as long as we stay above 186. We should be targeting above this previous peak eventually. Alright, so if you want to get more updates on Apple or any other stock, ETF, indices, Forex, commodities, feel free to try our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. So I'll see you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.